Every day you wait to get this right, you're quietly losing money. Not in some dramatic crash, in the slow, invisible leak of bad defaults. What I'm about to show you has been proven across millions of people and decades of data. This isn't theory. It's the distilled wisdom of behavioral economists, financial planners, and people who actually retired early. In the next few minutes, you'll get the exact framework. No fluff, no product pitch, just the math and the mindset. Step 1. Know your numbers. Not roughly, exactly. The average American has no idea what they spend on subscriptions, eating out, or impulse purchases. Track every dollar for 30 days. Not to judge yourself, but to see reality. The gap between what people think they spend and what they actually spend averages 40%. That gap is where your wealth is hiding. Step 2. Automate before you can self-sabotage. Every study on saving behavior shows the same thing. People who automate save 3 to 5 times more than those who rely on willpower. Set up automatic transfers the day your paycheck hits. Make saving the default, not the exception. Your future self can't negotiate with money that's already moved. Step 3. Invest simply and stay invested. A single total market index fund, held for 20 years, has beaten 92% of actively managed funds after fees. You don't need to pick stocks. You don't need to time the market. You need to start early, stay consistent, and ignore the noise. The boring strategy wins precisely because most people can't stick with boring. Here's what to do right now. Pick one of those 3 steps and execute it today. Not tomorrow, today. 1 automated transfer. 1 expense tracked. 1 index fund purchased. Small actions compound into massive results. Subscribe if you want more of this. No hype, just math that works.